name is Lesha Faradevara. I'm an undergraduate student of International Relations, major at LSPR Communication and Business, under supervision of Mr. Charles Bonar Sirait as my lecturer. And in this opportunity, I would like to talk to you about an issue that we've heard a lot about since a few years back. We heard it so much that we sometimes feel like it's just some buzzword, but it's not. Climate change, an unstable and a very urgent global challenge with long-term implication for the sustainable development of countries all around the world. So, know what is climate change and why should we care about this issue? You can see in your screen illustrate the change in global surface temperature relative to 1951 until 1980 average temperature. Since then, 19 of the warmest years have occurred since 2000. Even the year of 2020 tied with 2016 for the warmest year on record since record keeping for climate began in 1880. This change happened no longer due to Earth's orbital variation, but rather human activity. This means all of us has contributed to climate change. Throughout the century, we have come a long way in developing remarkable technologies. This means we have increased our consumption of natural resources that release all their greenhouse gases into the atmosphere. The composition of the greenhouse gases trap heat radiated from the sun, and the more heat the warmer Earth gets. Now, who will be the most harmed by the climate change? Humans, it will be eventually, but the number one victim that will have a direct impact is the oceans. Ocean not only regulated the Earth's temperature but also provide 50% of the Earth's oxygen. Climate change has increased the temperature of the oceans by more than 0.3 degrees Fahrenheit over the last 50 years. You might think this is great for our beach day we can swim in much warmer, but no, not for habitat in sea. The increasing sea temperature will be devastating for the supporting lives at sea. Now, why is it? One of the consequences that can help you understand is ocean acidification. According to National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration, this happened when there's a rise of the acidity in the ocean's chemistry as a direct effect from carbon dioxide in the atmosphere reacting to salt water. Now the ocean surface layer absorbs about one-third of the human released carbon dioxide. And since then, the pre-industrial times, in the 18th century until now, ocean acidity has increased in about 25%, a pace faster than any known in the Earth's geologic past. If humans continue to add carbon dioxide at current rates, seawater pH might be changed to a number around 7 until 8, creating an ocean more acidic. Climate change has also caused the sea level to rise. According to NASA, over the past century, the sea level has risen 6 to 8 inches in total, whereas in the last decade the number has increased in a much faster pace than we ever known. This happens as the Earth gets warmer. The glaciers and ice sheets are melting. Even according to an article shared on the Earth, lost at a number of at least 319 billion tons of ice. When all those ice melt, the shores can't hold all those water and cold flood region near the coast. In Indonesia, according to Badan Nasional Penanggulangan Bencana or BNPB, in just throughout the month of January 2021, there has been more than 250, or to be precise, there has been 263 natural disasters all over Indonesia, whereas most of them are caused by climate change, floods, extreme rainfall, tornadoes, or to forest fires, and adaptation efforts for countries that are vulnerable to the impacts of climate change, such as Indonesia, need special attention to minimize casualties, economic losses, and increasingly severe environmental damage. And Indonesia commitments to tackling climate change adaptation by building a new system that also aims to improve people's life in what can we do to at least on a personal level to help recycle and reuse things, use public transportation for work, and to be more efficient on using electronics, eat more locally grown vegetables, and spread the knowledge you have to people. This way, at least, that also we are part of the cause, but we can also be part of the solution. Thank you.